uMajordina uhlaba elikhwelo ngexa lowo yayisakuba inkokheli yombutho wakhe uJacob Zuma ebonisa ungasithobeli isigqibo senkundla yomgaqo seko nemiyalele ukuba ayokuvela phambi kwekomishini kaZondo.
As I stand on this podium, I would like to call upon every member and all South African citizens to take a moment to rededicate ourselves to honor and respect the Constitution passed by this House in December 1996. This year we celebrate a milestone of 25 years of being one nation, with our Constitution as a supreme law of the land.
Imibutho ephikisayo ikhwele izehlela kuMongameli Ramaphosa ichaza lentetho yakhe njengengenamva namphambili ngexa amanye athyola urhwaphilizo njengeyona nto ibuyisela umva urhulumente.
There's a growing realization that this president and his government cannot or will not tackle the big issues of the day. Paralyzed by factionalism and power struggles, they're incapable of making even the obvious decisions, like suspending people who are so clearly guilty of corruption.
You are incompetent. You must accept or untwapala. When we were confronted with COVID-19 pandemic, we could not even manufacture the most basic of things like masks and sanitizers. South Africa has spent more than 30 billion purchasing PPEs, and this has benefited foreign companies.
The problem, Your Excellency, is the same problem I pointed to in last year's debate. The problem is corruption. I know it, you know it, sir. South Africa knows it.
When we talk about corruption, it was said that the ANC is accused number one. Your words. But, Honourable President, you are number one of accused number one. And the question remains, what did you do to prevent corruption of accused number one?
Lengxoxo mpikiswano isaqhubeka kulindeleke ukuba umongameli aphendule ekupheleni kwale veki sikuyo. Ndingumanelisi Dubase wendaba ze-SABC eParlamente eKapa.